Hey everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today, we're tackling a Thanksgiving classic, cranberry sauce. But forget the mushy stuff from a can. We're making it fresh, vibrant, and bursting with flavor. This recipe is so simple, you'll be wondering why you ever used store-bought again. So, grab your cranberries, your aprons, and let's get cooking. Gather your ingredients. 12 ounces fresh cranberries, or frozen, if fresh aren't available. 1 cup granulated sugar, adjust to your desired sweetness. 1 cup water. 1/2 cup orange juice, freshly squeezed for the best flavor. 1 orange, zested, optional, but adds a lovely citrusy touch. Pinch of cinnamon, optional, for a warm spice kick. Extra water, if needed. Prepping the cranberries. Alright, let's start with the star of the show. Those beautiful cranberries. Give them a quick rinse under cold water to remove any dirt or debris. If you're using frozen cranberries, no need to thaw. Just pop them straight into the pan. Building the sauce. In a medium saucepan, combine the sugar and water. Heat over medium heat, stirring occasionally, until the sugar dissolves completely. Now, crank up the heat to medium-high and bring the mixture to a boil. The crantastic explosion. Once boiling, add the cranberries, orange juice, and orange zest, if using. Stir gently and let the mixture come back to a simmer. Now, patience is key. Let the cranberries cook for about 10–15 minutes, stirring occasionally, until they soften and start to burst. Texture talk and tweaks. As the cranberries cook, you'll notice the sauce thickening up. If you prefer a smoother texture, use a potato masher or the back of a spoon to gently mash some of the berries. If you like it chunkier, leave it be. Now, taste the sauce and adjust the sweetness or tartness with more sugar or orange juice if needed. The finishing touches. For a touch of extra warmth, you can sprinkle in a pinch of cinnamon. Give the sauce one last stir, then remove from heat. Let it cool slightly before transferring to a serving dish. Serving suggestions and storage. This cranberry sauce is the perfect accompaniment to your Thanksgiving turkey, roast chicken, or even pork chops. It's also delicious on pancakes, waffles, or even stirred into yogurt. You can store leftover sauce in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. So there you have it, folks. Your Thanksgiving hero, homemade cranberry sauce, made simple and delicious. Give this recipe a try. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy and tasty recipe ideas. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone! Bonus tips. For a deeper flavor, add a splash of port wine or brandy to the sauce while simmering. Want a touch of spice? Throw in a few cloves along with the orange zest. Don't have fresh cranberries? You can also use dried cranberries, but adjust the cooking time as they rehydrate. Feeling adventurous? Infuse the sauce with ginger, rosemary, or thyme for a unique twist. Remember, this is just a guide. Feel free to add your own personal touches and make this recipe your own. I hope you enjoy this video and recipe.